Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of trading success, money management. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategy, understanding how to manage your capital effectively can make all the difference. In options trading, it's not just about making profits, it's about preserving your capital. Without proper money management, even the most promising strategies can lead to significant losses. Think of money management as the foundation upon which all successful trading is built. Before placing any trades, define your investment goals. Are you aiming for long-term growth, generating supplemental income, or preserving capital? Your objectives will guide your risk tolerance and strategy selection. A well-structured trading plan is your roadmap to success. It should encompass strategy selection. Choose strategies that align with your objectives and risk tolerance. Risk assessment. Determine how much capital you're willing to risk on a single trade. Execution guidelines. Set criteria for entering and exiting trades. Remember, consistency in following your plan is key to long-term success. Effective position sizing ensures that no single trade can significantly impact your portfolio. A common rule of thumb is to risk no more than 2 to 5% of your total capital on a single trade. This approach helps in weathering losses and staying in the game longer. Implementing risk management techniques is essential. Stop-loss orders. Automatically exit a trade at a predetermined loss level. Diversification. Spread investments across different assets or strategies to reduce risk. Hedging. Use options to protect against potential losses in other investments. These tools help in mitigating losses and protecting your capital. Regularly review your trades and overall performance. Keep a trading journal to document decisions, outcomes, and lessons learned. This practice allows you to identify patterns, refine strategies, and improve over time. Ready to take your trading to the next level? Visit optionstrading.org for comprehensive guides, tools, and resources tailored for traders at all levels. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Have questions or topics you'd like us to cover? Drop a comment below.